Huh. I wonder what's happening here. Let's ask our local mechanic. Hang on a second. Let me go get him. Where are you? Come on over here. Yeah. Oh, everybody. This is Mr. Bearhead. Well, you're welcome on the show. Thank you for coming. He's kind of our resident expert on mechanic stuff. You're welcome. So, what's wrong here? Oh, that's why you have the brush in there. Because the struts don't hold the hood up anymore, huh? Well, that's pretty dangerous. Yeah, I know. Well, I guess we gotta fix it then, huh? Is it hard? Oh, good. What are you gonna need? Just a screwdriver, that's it? Well, let's get started. It's not that hard. So this is, what kind of car is this? A Lexus 2010 ES 350. Okay, let's get started then. Well, we had to put another holder in here. That other one wasn't going to hold the lid up very well. So we've got a kind of a handle off of a broom or something like that, just stuck down through there. That works good. Okay, so let's work on this bottom one here. That's it right there. And it just pushes on. The blade just comes right off. Mr. Bearhead's right in the way, of course. There we go. All right, let's do the top one now. And that's right here. There we go. So just a little ball joint that pushes on to that right there. Okay, let's put the new ones on. Okay, we'll start with the top one. And here's the little ball joint right there. And it's going to go right on there. Oh, and it pushes right on. Okay. And the bottom should push right on as well. Right there. And there we go. It's done. Let's do the other side. Here we go. There's the ball joint right here. That wasn't good. And this one. There we go. Let's see if that does it. All right, let's see if it goes down. Yep, good. And it comes back up. Holds right there. And goes up and stays there. Well, I think we got it. What do you think, Mr. Bearhead? Yeah, that was pretty good. That was very easy, and it sure is a lot safer than that lid coming down on your head. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. And we'll see you on the next project. Bye! Just a short technical note. When you're changing these out, this lid will get very heavy. And to make sure that they'll pop out easily, you want to have a stick that holds the lid up as high as it can possibly go. If not, the struts may still have some pressure on them, because what they're doing is they want to extend out this way to hold the lid open. And if you don't have the lid all the way up, then they're going to have some force pushing up, and that's going to make it harder to get them out. So when you're doing this, just make sure you prop the lid open as high as you can possibly go.